In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up WordPress web hosting using WP Engine for 2025. First, let's navigate to the homepage of WP Engine by opening your web browser and typing in the URL, wpengine.com. Once you're there, look for the sign up button to begin creating your account. It's a simple process. Just follow the prompts and fill in your necessary details to register. After you've successfully signed up, the next step is to create a new WordPress site. Head over to your WP Engine dashboard. This is your go-to place for managing everything related to your web hosting account. Once there, navigate to Sites and click on Add Site. You'll then be prompted to name your new site and choose an environment. Depending on whether you want the site to be live immediately or just as a testbed, you can choose production or staging. Once you've made your selection, click on Create Site. WP Engine makes the process convenient by automatically installing WordPress for you, so you don't have to worry about downloading and manually setting it up. Once WordPress is installed, you can access the WordPress admin panel directly from your site dashboard. Simply click on WP admin and use the login credentials provided to sign in. Now let's connect your domain to your WordPress site. Head to the domain section and click on Add Domain. Follow the instructions provided to update your DNS settings at your domain registrar, pointing it to WP Engine's IP address. This step ensures that when visitors type your URL, they are directed correctly to your site hosted by WP Engine. With your domain connected, it's time to enhance your site's design and features by installing themes and essential plugins. In the WordPress admin panel, go to Appearance and then Themes to select and install a theme that suits your site's style and functionality. To further boost your site's capabilities, navigate to Plugins, click on Add New, and search for useful plugins like WP Travel Engine and Elementor. These plugins add great features and customization options to WordPress sites. Once your site is taking shape, it's time to customize it further. Add pages, menus, and any content you have prepared. Make sure to configure your installed plugins according to your needs and optimize settings for the best performance. Personalization is key to ensuring that your website not only functions well, but also looks appealing to your audience. Lastly, while it's optional, enabling SSL for security and caching for improved performance is highly recommended. WP Engine provides a free SSL certificate that you can enable under Utilities in the SSL section. Don't forget to clear the cache and activate performance optimization features in the Performance section under Caching. And there you have it. Your WordPress site is now set up and ready to go. Thanks to WP Engine's robust hosting platform, take advantage of these features to create a website that's both functional and uniquely yours. Thanks for watching, and happy web hosting!